A human being has the outer casement known as the body, the inner casement known as the mind. However, powering both these instruments is the infinite power of the divine, known as the spirit. A human being is therefore a combination of body, mind, and spirit. In truth, however, the reality of the true identity of ourselves is not that of the body or the mind, but that of the spirit. The spirit is divinity itself. When the mind moves away from the ego state, it merges into the superconsciousness of the spirit. The body then begins to vibrate at the highest divine level, fooled by the illusion that we are the body and the mind. We submit our egos to the temptations of the world. We begin to think that we are all separate from each other, and from the divine, the breeding of negative qualities of fear, anger, jealousy, pride begins. We need to continually tune our minds to the spirit for guidance. In other words, we must completely surrender to the power within, which also embraces everything in existence and not to be controlled by the ego, that sees itself as separate from everything else. Through this action, we become victors, not victims of ourselves. We then enhance the power of divinity and become free to be one with divinity. We are not separate from each other. We are not separate from the divine. We separate ourselves because of the grand illusion of creation. However, if we are able to see this truth, we will be able to merge into the oneness of divinity, and this power will radiate through us.